to meet you. May I introduce myself? My name is ArKar KoKo. You can call me ArKar. Well, I would like to tell you how to make the bed. In the morning, I wake up and get out of the bed. I make the bed. Firstly, I get out the bottom of the mosquito net. I put it on the roof. I remove a pillow and blanket. I take the bed sheet. I shake it. I put it. I take the bed sheet. I shake it. I spread it on the bed. I put the pillow on the bed. I take the bed. I take the blanket. I shake it. I put it. I put it on the bed. It is it. I made the bed. That's all. Bye bye. Bye bye.